This is free motion quilting on the Bernina Q16 using a twin needle. Did you know that the Q16 and the Q24 are the only long arm machines that can use twin needles? And the reason for that is that as one threads the machine, the threads are kept separately at the lubricator pad, where each thread goes into a different hook. Also, just before the needles are threaded, there's this little plate where the threads are being kept separately so that they cannot tangle up as they go through the needle. There's also a different foot plate that you have to use when you want to use a twin needle, and that makes for extra special quilting. When I do this sort of free motion quilting using a twin needle, I try to make my quilting patterns very easy, flowy, nice, relaxed designs. The more simple it is, the better your quilting shows off. Here I tried my hand at a feather, and just have a look at that spine with all the threads that are laid down. It just makes it stand out so beautifully. Quilting a graffiti arrow makes the arrow look very pretty, but then when you fill in parts of that arrow, it makes it look just so special. Using a twin needle on the Q16 just gives my work an extra special appeal.